This is Monica and she is Muskan, and today we are here to discuss about the concept of online interior designing.
We will cover all the frequently asked questions about the online interior design concept. So stay tuned to get the exciting information.
People are not much aware about the concept of online interior designing. Would you like to share something about it with our viewers?
Of course, Monica, why not? By online interior designing, we simply mean that you will hire an interior designer virtually and they will provide you all the necessary interior execution drawings that are required to get the execution on site by method of online, like your WhatsApp, Instagram, your Skype and other websites available.
Nowadays, everything is online, so why not interiors? Isn't it great?
Yes, Monica, it definitely is great.
Even possible to get the designs online even without stepping out?
Yes, Monica. Actually, if we talk about previous times, so it was not even possible to get these things done online. But nowadays, with this innovation technologies, people have made it possible and easily accessible. So, what happens now? The designer asks few questions with you and have a detailed discussion regarding your requirements. Then they propose the concept designs and 3D interiors and everything through online methods. So it is definitely possible and feasible.
Wow, that's great. So Muskan, can you please tell me how this process works?
Yeah, sure, Monica. Why not? Actually, this process involves certain steps. In which the first step is how you are going to discuss your requirements with the designer that you have hired. Okay, like discussing your needs, your family structure, your budget. So you have to finalize the concept planning first, then what is the furniture placement and how the space has to be organized and what all things that to be considered as per Vastu as well. So that is a major factor to design the interiors. Second major step is to finalize the budget and the overall look and feel of the house through 3D interiors. The last and the most important part of this process is 2D designing of the working drawings. And working drawings by their names they specify, it involves all the measurements and material specification that has to be used on site.
It was great talking to you. Can you please let us know where we can find the interior designer?
Yeah, sure, Monica. You just have to search over various search platforms available like Google and Bing and Yahoo, and you can look for some websites that offers online interior designing services. You can talk to their consultant and whichever suits you best, you can hire them.
Thank you, Muskan. So viewers, I hope you found this video so informative. We will come back next week with the most exciting topic.
And if you want to know more about this process and the concept involved, go check out our website, that is www.interiordesignwala.com. The link is in description. Go check out and visit our website, check our blog post and hit the bell icon, subscribe to our channel and do like the videos.